Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 58. In this video I will be explain revision. So question is, balance the following redox reaction by ion electron method. So see this first example, MnO4 minus plus iodine, iodide ion I minus convert into the MnO2 plus I2. So in basic medium we have to balance the following reaction. So here you see MnO4 minus convert into the MnO2 and then iodide ion convert into the iodine. So here two steps. So two half reaction. Okay, iodide I minus, so minus 1 convert into the 0. So see this reaction, and MnO4 minus, so Mn manganese plus 7 and here MnO2 manganese is plus 4. Okay, so two half reaction are here. So oxidation half reaction I minus convert into the I2 and then reduction half reaction MnO4 minus convert into the MnO2, because increase the oxidation number it is a oxidation half reaction and decrease the oxidation number it is a reduction half reaction. Step 2. Balance the first oxidation half reaction. Here you see I minus convert into the I2. So here 2 iodine, so we put the value 2. Then 2I minus convert into the iodine, that is means 2 electron to the right hand side, because oxidation half reaction, that is means loss of the electron, so 2 electron we have to add right hand side. Then step 3, MnO4 minus convert into the MnO2. So reduction half reaction, because it is gain 3 electron, because plus 7 convert into the plus 4. So 7 minus 4 3. So 3 electron gain, then convert into the plus 4. Then oxygen for balancing we have to add right hand side OH minus. So here 4 oxygen, so right hand side we add 4 OH minus. Okay, for balancing the electron, for balancing the first oxygen and hydrogen. So here 4 hydrogen and then 4 oxygen and here 2, total 6. So balancing the, we have to add left hand side H2O, water molecule, so 2 H2O. Okay, so this is the equation number first, here 2 electron, and this is the equation number second, here 3 electron. So for balancing electron, here multiply 2 because 6 electron, and then here multiply 3, so convert into the 6 electron. So first and second here you see, so whenever 3 multiply, so 2I minus convert into the 6I minus convert into the 3I2 plus 6 electron, and then here multiply 2, so 2 MnO4 minus plus 2 2 ja 4 H2O plus 6 electron convert into the 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH minus. So after adding both of sides, 6 electron cancel 6 electron, so put the we get the balanced reaction, 6I minus plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 4 H2O convert into the product 3I2 plus 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH minus. Okay, so this is the balance reaction. Next question, Mn3 plus ion is unstable. It is important way, because here in this question we have to balance because disproportionation reaction given. So Mn3 plus ion is unstable in solution and undergoes disproportionation to give Mn2 plus and MnO2 and H plus ion. Write a balanced ionic equation. So Mn3 plus ion is unstable in solution and undergoes disproportionation. So that is means Mn3 plus and convert into the Mn2 plus, MnO2 and then H plus ion. So this is the reaction. So we have to balanced by ionic equation. So here you see 3 plus ion convert into the Mn2 plus, this one reaction, and here 3 plus convert into the plus 4. So first oxidation half reaction, this one Mn3 plus convert into the MnO2, this is the oxidation half reaction, this one, because plus 3 convert into the plus 4, loss of the electron. So Mn3 plus convert into the MnO2, so loss of the electron, so we have to write the right hand side 1 electron. Then for the balancing of the oxygen, charge, we have to add right hand side H plus ion, 4H plus, and for balancing the hydrogen and oxygen, left hand side we have to add water. So this equation number first, oxidation half reaction. Then same Mn3 plus convert into the Mn2 plus. So here you see reduction half reaction, Mn3 plus convert into the Mn2 plus. So here 3 plus convert into the 2 plus, that is gain 1 electron only. So Mn3 plus 1 electron, so convert into the Mn2 plus. This is the equation number first, this is the equation number second. So equation number first and equation number second, here 1 electron, here 1 electron, so no multiply of any multiplication way. So directly we get the balanced equation, Mn3 plus, that is 2 Mn3 plus, 2 water molecule, MnO2 right hand side, and then Mn2 plus, okay, and plus 4H plus. So we get the balanced chemical equation. Got it? Then next, consider the element cesium, iodine, neon and fluorine, 4 element given. So which element exhibit only negative oxidation number? So you already known about fluorine exhibit only negative oxidation number, that is -1. Then second number, which element exhibit only positive oxidation number? Positive, that is means +1, cesium only. Which element exhibit both negative and positive? So that is which? Iodine, because iodine negative and positive both represent, because -1, +1, +3, +5, +7 both. Then which element exhibit neither negative nor positive? Neon, because neon is noble gas and noble gas have oxidation number is 0. Then next question, chlorine is used to purify drinking water, that is means Cl2. Excess of chlorine is harmful, so excess of the chlorine is removed by treating with sulfur dioxide, that is means plus SO2 present in the water. So balance the equation for the redox change. So chlorine for removing by treating sulfur dioxide in the water, okay, so chlorine add in water, so excess of the amount of the chlorine removed by the sulfur dioxide, whenever react, so convert into the chloride ion and sulfate ion. So SO2 here sulfur oxidation number +4, convert into the sulfur sulfate, and here sulfur +6. Then so oxidation half reaction, here SO2 convert into the sulfate ion, +4 convert into the +6, that is means removal 2 electron. So 2 electron add into the right hand side. Then for balancing the oxygen, we have to add H plus ion. So 4H plus ion right hand side we have to add. How many? Because 4 oxygen, so 4H plus. For balancing the hydrogen and oxygen, we have to add water to the left hand side. 4H and oxygen, 2H2. So this is the equation number first. Then reduction half reaction, here you see chlorine convert into the chloride ion. So chlorine convert into the chloride ion. So balance the chloride ion. Here 1 and here 2. So here written 2. So balance. Add electron, because this is the reduction half reaction. So gain 2 electron left hand side. So we have to write left hand side 2 electron. So Cl2 plus 2 electron gain. So convert into the 2Cl minus. From equation number first and second we have to add. So to get the balanced chemical equation. So Cl2 plus SO2 plus 2H2O convert into the 2Cl minus SO4 2 minus plus 4H plus. Okay, got it? Next, which non-metal can show disproportionation reaction? Phosphorus, chlorine and sulfur. Which 3 metals show disproportionation reaction? So manganese, gallium and copper. This is these 3 non-metal and this is 3 metal. Then next, in Ostwald process for the manufacture of the nitric acid, the first step involved the oxidation of the ammonia gas by oxygen gas to give nitric oxide gas and steam. What is the maximum weight of the nitric oxide that can be obtained? Starting only 10 gram ammonia and 20 gram of oxygen. So generally Ostwald process, ammonia react with oxygen and convert into the nitric oxide NO plus H2. This is the balanced reaction. Ammonia given. Here ammonia mass, nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. So total is 17 and multiply 4. So 4 into 17, 68 gram. 5 O2, oxygen 16 multiplied to 32 and multiply 5. So 160 gram. NO, nitrogen 14 plus 16, 30 multiply 4, 120 gram. Water, hydrogen 1 and then oxygen 16, 18 and then multiply 6, 108 gram. So ammonia here 68 gram mass. So here given 10 gram ammonia and 20 gram of oxygen. So what is the maximum weight of the nitric oxide? So here you see 68 gram react with oxygen 20 gram. So 10 gram of ammonia, 160 multiply 10 divide 68. So answer is 23.53 gram of oxygen. But only of remaining 20 gram of oxygen available. So O2 is limiting reagent. Okay, so 160 gram of O2 gives 120 multiplied 20 divide 160 gram of nitrogen. So calculate. So nitrogen is 15 gram of nitric oxide obtained. So that is means maximum 15 gram of nitric oxide can be obtained. Okay, so first we have to find mass every each reactant and product way, and then here you see 10 gram of ammonia and 20 gram of oxygen. So we have to find maximum weight of the nitric oxide. So 10 gram of ammonia react with this one oxygen. So 20 gram of oxygen available. So oxygen is limiting reagent. So we have 160 gram oxygen gives 15 gram of NO. So maximum of the 15 gram of nitric oxide can be obtained. Okay. Next question I will be explained in the next video. Thank you so much.